Good morning, sir. Sir, it is an honor to have you with us as a judge. We would be grateful if you could share a few words with us. Sir, is there any advice would you like to give to all the law students?
See, I would only suggest one thing. Study of law and practice of law are two different things. Practice involves a various of other factors, but study is pure. In college, you should dedicate much attention towards the study of law. You should be a little creative. Instead of knowing what the law is, you should know why the law is. So, why, how are some things that should intrigue you while understanding legal principles, and that will make those principles be retained in your head. So that's just my advice to the law students.
So, how's your overall experience been at Mangalam University, and do you have any suggestions for us?
It's excellent. The library is wonderfully designed, and there are three things that define a university: the students, the faculty, and the library. The library is beautiful, the faculty is good, dedicated, and the students are always eager to learn.
So, is there any messages for the participants and organizers?
All the very best. The best person will win, the second best will be the runner-up, and every will learn. So that is the intent of a moot court competition.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.